Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. We're approaching Cedar Falls. Now I was here very recently, pardon my frog. It's Friday the 13th. It's June and today is Friday the 13th. And what we came down here for is to see if the road is open. Oh! There's no barrier. Hang on, I wanted these cars to go by me. These guys were here before. This guy was here before. But did you notice that there was no detour sign? You got it on the side. I want to be able to go slow if possible, if needed. So I got rid of the traffic behind me. Looks like there's something that's been put to the side of the road. This should look familiar. See, the two things you would have to go around are now on the side of the road, and I said I thought it needed another surface paving, but I'm probably wrong. This is probably it. There's nobody behind me. Okay, everything is the way it was a couple of days ago, except now the barriers, which didn't actually block you, are saying road is open. See the bamboo? I pointed out the bamboo before. We're going to use this as the turnaround. Now, this is off the topic. See all the tires there? See how nice it is going down there? And down there you can get into the deep river if you get permission from the landowner. See how big the bamboo grew? Look at how tall those bamboos are. Private road, keep out. No trespassing. Violators will be prosecuted. Posted. Okay, so it says James Ray Drive, but it says private road, keep out. I never noticed that before. That puzzles me. I look behind me, no traffic coming. Oh, those bamboos are so beautiful. You could build things with them. And to remind you that the dam is to the right behind those trees, and then the sluiceway needed to cross the road since ancient times, and the duck, there was a channel there, and then the duck went under the road here and over to that side to go down behind the original mill. And I'll remind you that there was a wooden paddle wheel, and what came after that to power the mill? Steam engine. And what came after that were the General Electric companies getting to going with electric motors? Yeah, electric motors. And today, what would it be? Atomic power? Not quite. See, straight ahead is Cedar Falls Island. There's a channel of water here, but on the other side of the island is the deep river. We'll let this person pull out. There you go. The reason why nobody's fishing probably is because it's been raining, even though it doesn't look wet here. I think you can see a drop on my See, just the Deep River's right over there. And I'll say it again, I'm pretty sure this equipment was used up there to fix it on the road. Road closed to through traffic. We'll see how long it is before they come and pick up the signs and you put them at the next place they need them. Okay, my mind is wandering. There's the old post office that somebody tried to burn down. I said that the last time I was here. The person who did that also tried to burn down 3 other places the same evening. All older buildings in this part of Randolph County. Yeah, you never know. Steve AB4EL, this is Cedar Falls 2, saying happy Friday the 13th. See you in 73.